I like quilting, don't get me wrong, but there are a couple of things about quilting I don't like. One of those things is this little sentence right here. When you're making a half square triangle, the line reads, mark a diagonal line on the back of each 3¼ inch background square. When you're sewing like a bajillion of those squares, do you know how long it takes to mark lines on each of those squares? Like an eternity. If you want to take your sojo away in one fell swoop, do it. Or get some of this. This is 1/4 inch diagonal seam tape, and I'm going to show you how it works because it's a lifesaver. If I was following this direction exactly, I would be marking a line from point to point with some sort of marking tool, be that a marking pen or a pencil, chalk, but already I'm bored. Now this doesn't seem super irritating until you have 500 of these to do, and then it gets real irritating real fast. So let me show you a better way. You can get this diagonal seam tape in my Amazon store. It is an absolute lifesaver and it's so cheap, it's ridiculous. So I pull a piece out. I'm gonna snip it with my scissors. I have a 1/4 inch mark right here, and you can see my machine is left justified. So my needle, when I turn my machine on, is always going to be left of center. And my 1/4 inch mark is on my presser foot right here. But when sewing, if I don't have that line marked, it makes it extremely hard to follow on my half square triangle. So what I'm gonna do is line this blue 1/4 inch line up with my 1/4 inch line right here. And I'm going to run it all the way down and match it up with my measurement down here that's at 1/4 inch. You can see now that where my needle is right at this red line, and I've got 1/4 inch to the right and 1/4 inch to the left. One quick thing I like to do is to cut through this line right here, and that way I can open my little storage compartment if need be. To sew this half square triangle, I'm lining my point up at the 1/4 inch mark and my other point up with this 1/4 inch mark. And I'm going to sew, keeping this right in line with that line. See how I just keep it in line with that line right there? And it is automatically sewing 1/4 inch away from that center. See that? Now I'm gonna turn it, line it back up, and sew again. Lovely. Now you can see that you've got a perfectly sewn half square triangle. You should have about 1/2 inch right in the middle, which you do. Perfect. Then all that's left to do is line it up, cut it, and you've got a perfect half square triangle. I am all about quilting, but the fun parts of quilting. So get some of this tape. It's really, really helpful. If I had to list one of the top quilting notions that I have in my sewing space, it is 100% this. Like and follow for more.